Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about if, elif, and else. These are the main keywords used to declare conditions in Python. If is the first block of condition, elif is the second block of conditions, and else is the last block of conditions. Okay, so today we're gonna get a quick review about if, elif, and else, and then make a grading system using if, elif, and else. So first, we'll get a quick review of if, elif, and else. If 5 is greater than 2, the statement is correct. So Python will be execute whatever is in the indented block. That means whatever inside the if section. So print will print hello world, hello world, sorry, hello world. So now we're gonna print it. So as the statement is correct, condition is correct, Python will be able to execute it. But if the statement is not correct, the Python will not be able to execute whatever inside the if section. So as the condition is false, Python will is not able to print whatever inside if. Elif is the same as if, but there can be multiple elif, but there can be only one if and one else. So print here will do hello. So now let's print it. As elif is correct, we'll get our execution hello, and if the statement is not correct, elif, everything if is the same as elif. If the statement is not correct, Python will not be able to execute anything. So next we have else. Else there is no condition else. If none of the conditions above matches, then Python immediately executes whatever is in inside the else section. Print world. Your world executes, and if anything above else matches, then Python doesn't even look at else. Hello world. The first condition matches, so Python doesn't even check the last one. And if elif once matches, then it is the same case. Here also, elif matches, and Python doesn't even look at the else section. So now we'll make the grading system. Now starting with the declaring the variable that will receive the marks from the user. So sorry, input, enter your marks. Enter your marks. Then we'll give the first if v when that means the user's mark is is less less than 60, then the user have failed. Print failed. So then we move to elif section. Okay, if the user gets between 60, okay, let me explain this. D. So this is if the user gets more than or equal to 60 but less than 65, then he gets a D. This is what he's trying to explain. So now if 65 less, less than or equal to V, it's like if the user gives greater than 65 or equal to 65 and less than 70, then he'll get a D plus. Then we'll do the same with every single one. If anyone gets between 70 to 75, then he'll get a C. A C, okay. Now, if 75, 75, then 80 to less than 85 will get, he'll get a B. 85 to something called 90, then B, he'll get a B plus. Then if 90 less than 95, we'll get a yes. Then if 95 to 100, we'll get a plus. Okay, this should be the grading system. Okay, let's keep 74. 74 will give a C. Yeah, you get a C. What about 100? Okay. Okay, wait. So there should be an equal sign here because if it is equal to 100, then it should work. Yeah. So now you got a plus. Now, okay, this is the whole grading system. And this is the whole code for today, and I will give this whole code in the comments and also the descriptions. So that's it for today. If you hope you like this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.